Bhoomika Trust works towards providing relief and rehabilitation during times of disasters. Having supplied cooking vessels for affected families in Uttarakhand, the Trust looked at providing blankets on a priority basis because of the approach of winter. For the cold doesn't really kill people, but lack of warm clothing does. We received quotations, we processed the same, and we procured the blankets from a supplier in Delhi. A quality check was done and these were shipped by road to Uttarakhand. One of our volunteers, Anand Kamal, travelled along with the Gunj team to help distribute the blankets in 2 villages in Uttarakhand in December 2013.